Asus ROG Strix XG27AQWMG review and best settings. Best 27-inch QHD OLED gaming monitor worth it. A 27-inch QHD OLED monitor with a 280 Hz refresh rate sounds like an amazing gaming setup. But is the Asus ROG Strix XG27AQWMG actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The XG27AQWMG features a 26.5-inch QHD tandem OLED panel with a 2560 by 1440 resolution and a maximum refresh rate of 280 Hz. It also offers an extremely fast response time, wide color coverage, HDR support, and Asus's true black glossy display surface. The biggest attraction here is the combination of OLED image quality and high refresh performance. You get deep blacks, strong contrast, vibrant colors, and extremely smooth motion. For competitive gaming, the 280 Hz refresh rate can be especially useful, while 1440p resolution is generally easier to drive at high frame rates than 4K. Asus also includes adaptive sync, HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, USB connectivity, and several gaming features designed to improve motion clarity and visibility. For a basic setup, you can run the monitor at its native 1440p resolution and 280 Hz refresh rate, while keeping the OLED protection features enabled. There are some compromises, though. Like other OLED displays, it requires some care when displaying static content for long periods. And because the screen has a glossy surface, reflections can be noticeable in bright rooms. So is it worth it? If you're a serious gamer who wants OLED contrast, excellent motion performance, HDR, and a very high refresh rate, this monitor is a strong option. But if you specifically need 4K resolution or prefer a matte display, there are alternatives worth considering. If you want to check the latest details or buy this monitor, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you choose QHD OLED over 4K.